Hi guys, so now I show you this Renata 393 series. It's a 1.55 volt battery. It's SR754W. Alright. Gonna test this. This is how it looks like. Okay. Here's the back. It was just expired this year, January 2021. Okay, gonna open this to test. I think it should be still okay-ish. Looks still okay, sort of. We need to test the voltage though. Okay, so 1.596, not too bad. So probably like 1.55. Probably if the box voltage is 1.55 volts, maybe the new one should be 1.6 maybe. Just from my experience, like it's usually like 0.05 higher than the box voltage, because it's something like a capacity of the battery. How to say? It's like the how much charge you got left lah. So as the charge go down, then the voltage will go down also. Now it's 1.56. Kind of odd. Let's test it again. Okay. So maybe this one is 1.58 or something like that. Maybe. Interesting. Let's see if it goes to 1.58. Okay, so anyways, yeah, I'm gonna sell this maybe at a discounted price or something like that. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share, and thank you so much everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.